Look, if I lost everything today and had to start from scratch in 2026, I would make dollar back within 48 hours using AI. Not by building some complicated SaaS, not by creating the next ChatGPT, but by doing something so simple. Most people overlook it completely. The AI gold rush isn't about who has the best technology anymore. It's about who can execute fastest. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint I would follow to go from zero to $10,000 a month using AI without a single line of code, without a massive audience, and without spending years learning. By the end of this video, you will have 5 proven methods and exact tools I would use, and the one mistake that costing people thousands. So stick around. Now, welcome back, nerds. Who am I? I'm a tech nerd just like you. This is my brand new channel where I share all my research about automations and AI tools to save your time in this tech noisy world. So hit that subscribe and like button. Before we dive in, everyone's talking about AI agents, automation agencies, and building the next unicorn startup. And yeah, those can work. But here's what nobody tells you. Most small businesses in America have between 5 to 500 employees. They create 62% of jobs. Yet they have no idea how to use AI to grow, automate, or survive. That's the opportunity. The global AI market is valued at $392 billion right now. It's expected to reach $1.81 trillion by 2030. But here's the thing. This isn't a future opportunity. Jobs using AI already pay 28% more on average. The money is being made right now by people who understand one simple truth. You don't need to build AI, you need to implement it. So, if I am starting over, I'm not trying to compete with OpenAI or Anthropic. I'm positioning myself as the bridge between AI technology and businesses that desperately need it but don't know where to start. The first method I would use is AI-powered content services. And I'm not talking about becoming just another content writer. Here is the play. Freelance writers can use AI to generate ideas and write faster than ever before, with writers earning $25 to $60 per hour on average, with first paid assignments typically coming within 1 to 2 weeks. But here how I would 10x that. So the game plan is week 1 or 2, the setup. I would pick one niche, let's say real estate or e-commerce. Learn that industry pain points inside out. Create 3 to 5 portfolio samples using ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper. Position myself as a specialist, not a generalist. The secret sauce: most freelancers just deliver content. I would deliver content plus the strategy. I would use AI to analyze competitors, identify content gaps, and create SEO optimized pieces that actually drive traffic. The tools I would use: ChatGPT or Claude for writing, Suffer SEO for optimization, Canva AI for graphics, Grammarly for polishing. Realistic timeline. I know this is hectic, but trust me, it's worth it. Week 1 or 2, build portfolio, reach to 50 businesses. Week 3 or 4, land first 2-3 clients at $500 to $1,000 per month. Month 2 or 3, scale to 5 to 10 clients. Hit $5,000 to $8,000 per month. The beauty: you can start with free tools and upgrade later, with most AI tools costing under $50 per month. Method number 2 is where it gets really interesting: faceless content creation. In 2026, faceless YouTube channels have become one of the fastest growing income streams, with creators able to create entire channels without showing their face by using tools like ChatGPT for scripting, AI video generators. Let me break down the exact system. Niche selection. Pick something evergreen with high CPM. Finance and investing, tech tutorials, health and wellness, personal development, history and storytelling. The content machine. Scripting. ChatGPT writes a script in 5 minutes. Voiceover. 11 Labs creates natural voices. No recording needed. Visual Runway, ML or Pictory generates video scenes. Editing. CapCut or Descript for final polish. Thumbnails. Canva AI or Leonardo AI. Here's what working in 2026. YouTube requires human value and transformation in content. You need 1,000 subscribers plus either 400 valid watch hours in past 12 months or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days to unlock full ad revenue. I know you know it. The key is adding your unique perspective. Don't just copy AI content. Add commentary, inject personality through script writing, and provide genuine value. The revenue streams. Ad revenue: $3 to $8 per 1,000 views depending on niche. Affiliate marketing in description, sponsored content once you hit 10k subscribers, digital products. Realistic path. Month 1, create 12 to 15 videos, focus on SEO titles. Month 2 or 3, hit monetize requirements. Month 4 or 6, scale $1,000, $5,000 per month. One creator started with a single video, then produced 10 after a year, was making over $1,000 per month from their Faceless channels. This is insane. Method 3, AI automation for local businesses. And this is so important. This is the gold mine for 2026. Method 3 is my personal favorite because it's the most scalable. Local businesses automation. According to McKinsey's research, companies that adopt AI automation reduce operational costs by 20 to 30% and improves efficiency by over 40%. But small businesses, they have no clue how to do it. Here's the service I would offer. Package 1, lead machine, $500 to $1,000 per month. Automated local capture for website, AI chatbot for 24/7 customer support, automated email follow-up sequences, simple CRM integration. Package 2, content engine, $750 to $1,500 per month. Automated social media posts, 3 to 5 per week. Blog content with SEO optimization, email newsletter automation, review response automation. Package 3, the operation optimizer, $1,500 to $3,000 per month. Appointment scheduling automation, invoice and payment processing, customer database management, reporting and analysis. Implementation. Tools I would use Make.com or Zapier for automation workflows, ManyChat or chatbot for AI or chatbots, ChatGPT API for content generation, Airtable or Notion for databases. The sales process. Target businesses with 5 to 50 employees, restaurants, dental offices, real estate agencies, local law firms. Offer free automation audit, 30-minute call. Show them where they are losing time and money. Purpose custom solution. Deliver in 2 to 4 weeks. Why this works? By 2026, 75% of businesses are predicted to use AI-driven process automation to reduce expenses, enhance quality. You are helping them stay competitive. Reality check. Month 1, master our tools, create case studies. Month 2, land first 2 clients at $1,000 per month. Month 3 or 4, refine processes, add 3 to 4 more clients. Month 5 or 6, you are at $10,000 per month within 8 to 10 AI-powered digital products. Method 4 is about leverage digital products powered by AI. The beauty of digital products, you create them once, sell them infinitely. What I have to create? Option 1, prompt libraries, industry-specific ChatGPT prompts, package for 100 to 500 prompts for $29 to $99. Target marketers, writers, entrepreneurs. Platform, Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. Option 2, AI-generated templates. Notion templates for business planning, Canva templates for social media, spreadsheet tools with AI integration. Price $19 to $149 depending on complexity. Option 3, mini courses. How to use AI in your niche courses. 5 to 10 videos lessons using AI-generated content priced at $97 to $297. Sell on Teachable, Gumroad, or Stand Store. Option 4, AI-enhanced design assets. Logo packs created with Midjourney, website templates, social media content calendars. Price $29 to $199. The creation process. Week 1, research what's selling. Check Gumroad bestsellers. Week 2, create your first product using AI tools. Week 3, set up sales page, payment process. Week 4, drive traffic through content marketing. Traffic resources. SEO optimized blog posts, YouTube videos like this one, Pinterest for usual products, Twitter X for business product. Reddit communities provide value first. Realistic numbers. Let's be honest. Month 1, launch first product. Make $200 to $500. Month 2, add second product. Cross promote. Hit $1,000. Month 3 or 6, build each list. Scale to $3,000 to $5,000 per month. The compounding effect is insane. Each product built on the last. So the method 5 is I would actually do combine everything. Here's the truth. You don't have to pick just one method. In fact, you shouldn't. 90-day blueprint. Days 1 to 30, quick bash. Content services. Land 2 to 3 content clients for immediate income. Use this to fund tools and reinvest. Target $2,000 to $3,000 per month. Okay, the next one is days 31 to 60. Build assets. Content channel. Start Faceless YouTube channel in your reach. Create 20 to 30 videos using AI? This because your lead generation machine bonus builds authority and trust. Days 61 to 90 scale systems. Automation services. Use YouTube channel to attract local businesses clients. Offer automation packages. Target ad $3,000 to $5,000 per month in recurring revenue. Days 90 plus. Passive income. Digital products. Create products based on client problems. Sell to your YouTube audience. Add $1,000 to $3,000 in semi-passive income. Total potential $8,000 to $1,200 by month 4 to 6. And here's the kicker. Everything feeds everything else. Your content work give you ideas for YouTube videos. Your YouTube videos attract automation clients. Your client work inspire digital products. That's it. Now, here's the mistake I see everyone making. They are trying to automate everything. Listen carefully. AI automations have turned out to be profitable and reliable for businesses than AI agents, as agents have to be monitored continuously and it takes time to build reliable and effective AI agents. The businesses that win aren't the ones using the most AI. They are the ones using AI to enhance human expertise. Don't be the person who uses pure AI content with no personal touch. Promises full automations when clients need consultation. Focuses on tool instead of results. Instead, use AI to amplify your unique insights. Deliver transformation, not just automation. Focus on solving real problems, not showcasing technology. AI is your co-pilot, not your replacement. So, there you have it. 5 methods to make money with AI in 2026. And the exact blueprint I had to follow if I had to start from zero. The opportunity is massive, and AI software market's global annual revenue is about to reach $120 billion in 2025. But opportunities don't wait. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one method from this video. Spend the next 7 days going all in on learning. Take action in 2 weeks. Remember, the people making money with AI right now aren't the smartest. They are the ones who started. If you find this valuable, smash the like button, subscribe for more AI business strategies, and drop a comment telling me which method you are starting with. And if you want my complete AI toolkit with AI resources I mentioned, check the link in the description. And here is my 2 playlists. Go check it out. These are the gold mines. See you in the next one. Now go build something.